Hi Scorpios, this is your next 10 days reading. I'm going to take the day of today, that is 15th of May, to the day of 24th of May, and I'm going to look at this decan through the tarot cards. The tarot cards fell out for you while I was divinating for you, and I have clarified and I have got a picture in front of me of the energies that will come to you in the next 10 days. So I will be talking about that. Before that, I am going to read out a card from the Angels of Abundance deck. It has got a message for you. It is saying, take a divinely guided chance. All positive change and successful ventures involve a degree of risk, and you are ready to follow your divine guidance to new territories. As you leave behind that which is comfortable and familiar but no longer appropriate for you, you make room for new and more meaningful opportunities. So, I see some of you getting a chance to get out of a certain situation and go towards something, going towards uncharted waters, new territories, and you are going to get those opportunities, those meaningful opportunities, and the divine is asking you to take a chance. So this is your message, this is your mantra for the next 10 days. So let's see what is coming in. So you are shown as the King of Cups, as you are Scorpios. You are known as the King of Cups. You are that emotional child of the Empress. So you are holding lot of things inside you. Some of you have gone through major upheavals in life. You have had experiences in your life, male or female, whoever is watching me. You are right now in a situation wherein you are containing yourself. You have lot of emotions inside you, but you are being discreet. You are not showing it to others. So you are going through a time of problems. You are going through a time of tiding over problems, because I am seeing that many of you will be tiding over soon. And I have been getting these messages in these next 10 days readings, and many of you, maybe you have come out of problems. So the turmoil is there, the emotional baggage is there, but you are not showing it to others. I am seeing that you are in a situation wherein you are almost there. You are getting something in front of you, some opportunity is coming to you. If you had a problem regarding a job, if you had a problem regarding a love life, some of you were going through problems in love. So what's coming in is, twice the Page of Cups has come. The Page of Cups has come, and clarifying the King of Cups is the Page of Pentacles. So two opportunities are coming in for you. One is of love or apology, and one is of an opportunity regarding your money or something, some ambition which you had. So you will get a chance to fulfill that ambition. Some of you are going to start something from scratch. You are leaving everything behind, that is what I am seeing, and going towards something which will give you harmony, which will give you change of heart, which will make you start something new. So that is what I am seeing in the next 10 days. So connect it with your aspects in life, could be in career, could be in love, could be in relationships, anything, so you just have to resonate with this energy. So one energy is of, if you had a tiff with someone, someone will come back and try to patch up with you. If you had, if you were waiting for an opportunity of a job or something, some business, it is going to take shape now. So as you go forward, you are still going through, some discord, some disturbance, some delays, some problems which are, putting obstacles in your path. So what I see is the Six of Cups is coming. Either a friend from your past, or a lover from your past, or siblings, or if you want to go towards your home. So something, some past connection will come, a place, a person, whatever. So a past connection will come which will take you towards harmony from the situation of discord. That is what I am seeing. So some of you are drawing upon your old contacts to get a job, maybe. Some of you are going towards your ex. Some of you are going and confiding to your siblings, or if you had a problem with your siblings, or if you had a problem with your hometown or place where you have spent your childhood. I am seeing that problem will be solved. The harmony will come. So you will be taking inspiration from past experiences, some of you. That is what I am seeing. So a situation of backstabbing, jealousy, envy, defeat, all these things are now in their last stages for you. So if you were going through problems, the problems of the mind, because people, external people, circumstances were not letting you get up, but this is the time. The 10 of swords has happened. So you will now get up. This is your time to go watch that sunrise. This is your time to go get to that ace of swords, start something new, get to a path of progress that should come now. So it is coming, it is coming. That is what I see. So as you go forward, angels are telling you that some changes will be done by you. Now is the time to take decisions. So you will be able to come out of a shackling energy, blocking energy. The devil is here. So it could be your own energy of the mind of being obsessed with something, or addicted to something, codependent on a relationship which was giving you trouble. So whatever it is, the devil energy has to be defeated, and you are doing it like how? See, you are going to take some action, or a person of the air sign is coming in. A knight of swords is coming to your rescue from the devil like situation. The shackling, the problem, the blockage is going to be sorted by someone or by you, by taking a quick decision. That is what I am seeing. This decision will take you out of a certain unsafe environment, unhealthy environment, unstable environment, an environment which is filled with, this devil energy, the obstacles which are there. So it is making you, live in a storm. So you will be leaving the storm behind. You will be going towards a path of safety. That is what I am seeing. The six of swords is coming. You and your family all together, you will be able to get out of an obstacle circumstance, an unhealthy, unsafe circumstance, going towards something calm, cool, better atmosphere. That is what I am seeing. So some of you are going towards your hometown. That is what I am seeing, because the six of cups is coming in. So whatever is your obstacle, you are going to have a victory over that circumstance. You are going to cross some waters. Real journey can take place for some of you. So you will be in a calmer, safer place. That is what I am seeing. So if it is the mind energy which has to work, then you are going to move on from a certain bad thing which is happening in your life or was happening. So the change of heart will happen, and the decision will be taken, and the six of swords will happen. Six of swords means right for passage, which is safe. So that is what, right for passage towards safety, sorry. So this is the kind of energy I am seeing. The star card is coming with the queen of pentacles card. So this is showing that balance in monetary situation will come. Some of you will turn as, a caregiver, a nurturer, a person who has a, stable livelihood. So stability will come in. Worries about money will remain, but stability will come in. And angels are telling you that you will be able to control your circumstances with, the star that is guiding you, the faith you have in everything. So the have faith, have positive affirmations, and I am sure you will be able to get out of this devil energy which is around you, the five of wands energy which is trying to trouble you and block your path. So you will be able to come out of it. You are going towards something new, definitely something calmer, cooler, conducive for you. So the outcome energy is tower. So harsh realities will come in front of you. Something will shake you out of your stupor. Something will be uncomfortable, but it will be taking you out of the energy of chaos. That is what I am seeing. So liberation will happen definitely with the tower. It's a harsh change, rude awakening for some of you, but it will take you out of problematic circumstances. That is what I am seeing. Angels are asking you to have strength. So the tower movement is cushioned by your strength, the power, the energy to control any untoward incident in life. So that is what you are going to have. You are going to have the power which divine is giving to you. So the tower movement, maybe the pandemic which is affecting some of you, maybe the upheaval in the economic situation which is affecting you, maybe the illness amongst your family members which is unsettling you. You will have power. You will have power to recuperate. You will have power to control it. That is what I am seeing. The Queen of Cups energy is from the King of Cups energy, you are going to Queen of Cups energy. Some of you will become caregivers. Some of you will become much more compassionate. Some of you will become caring. Some of you will become more artistic. That is what I am seeing. And more loving. That is what I am seeing. So angels are going to make you soft emotionally. Not in any way this tower is going to take you away from your love and loved ones. And you will have the power to give care to other people. You will have the power to show compassion. That is what I am seeing. So not a bad situation in any case, even if the tower is coming. So angels are asking you to do what? Angels are asking you to take rest, be in seclusion, try to cut out distractions, and be in that meditative mode wherein you get solutions for your problems. I am seeing the Ace of Swords coming in. That is enlightenment, self realization, epiphanies, which will take you towards your path of progress. Clarity will come to you in a situation which was troubling you, which was uncertain. That's for sure. The Five of Cups reversed is telling me that this is not the time to dwell on pain. This is the time to dwell on mending that pain, mending that situation of, pain, sorrow. So you have to get out of it. Reverse Five of Cups is coming. So you guys will be getting out of a painful situation. The Fool card finally is telling me that the Epiphany will tell you to take a step towards something unfamiliar, something revolutionary, something which you have never done before. A leap of faith will be taken by you, something you which will be revolutionary and watershed in your life. Some new changes are coming in. You are going to go towards some place. You are going to leave what is there currently and going towards something. So that is for sure. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you want me to see your personal energies in a session, I give online sessions. I give tarot consultation. You can book a reading with me. You can leave in a request in the comment box, and you can book my time, and I will give you my time and my energies so that you can look at your near future. So I will be looking forward to some more people who are coming in towards me, so that I can give you light. I can give you an energy of healing. So that's it from my side. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe, and support my channel. So that's it from my side. Bye bye.